Decorate and Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today it is Sunday morning and I must say it is a beautiful day out, so I hope you all are having an amazing day. Now I decided I'd come out back here and do a little DIY project for you guys. Now yesterday I was yard sailing all day, so I got a couple things that I want to share with you guys. Well, my project today is going to be chalk painting these books. Now when I was out yard sailing yesterday, I was able to get these two books for free. But before I found these, I got these for $1 and I got 3 of them. So I'll probably do another project with these books here. And then when I was over at an estate sale, I was able to find these little blue birds here, and I think these are just perfect for spring. Now I picked up 2 of them and they only cost me $3 for both of them. So my idea is once my books get painted, these are going to go out on my entryway table as you come in my front door. And I'll probably use, I'm not sure if I'll be able to use one of the birds or maybe incorporate both of them on the books. But I'm going to go ahead and use my little birds, and then I'll be using my Home Depot chalk paint. That's Americana Decor. Now the color is lace. Now I like this color because it's off-white and it goes with my decor. And also it helps that the black writing show up very nicely on the books. Then I have my raffia that I will be using to bind my books. And then I have my paintbrush here that I'll be using. Now I know they make one that has foam on the bottom. That would probably give you a nice smooth finish, but I don't have one of those, so I'm going to go ahead and use this, and this will work just as good. So let's go ahead and get started. Now before I get started, we're going to go ahead and remove the covers off the books. Then you can just throw these away. And then just make sure you shake up your paint real well. And then when you're painting, you want to make sure that you get the sides and down here and around. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm all finished painting my books, and what I'm going to do is take my little sandpaper, and what I like about chalk paint is you can always sand it and get it really nice and smooth even when you're painting furniture. So what I'm going to do is distress the edges a little bit. I think that would look really nice. So as you can see, I went ahead and did this one little piece here, and I did over here in the corner, and you can go around the edges, and all you got to do is just sand a little bit, and it'll just take some of the paint off. And then since my book is dark underneath, it'll show through. So I really like the way that looks. And I think I'll do it down here on the edges. And then when I'm finished with this, I'm going to go ahead and put my raffia on and go ahead and see how these are going to look on my entry table. Well, my project is all finished, and I must say I really love the way it turned out. I love this little saying that says enjoy every moment. And then I went ahead and added some cotton to my raffia and added my bird on top of the books. Now, instead of buying more greenery, I went ahead and added some white flowers to bring in some spring. And I just randomly put the flowers throughout the greenery on my table. And then I also put my little bird over here in the corner. And then I also have these candle ring holders. I also added the white flowers. Now these candlesticks here, I absolutely love. They are on a remote, so all I have to do is hit the button and they turn on. And then I can set it for 2, 4, or 6 hours. So it really looks nice all lit up at night. So I'm really happy overall how this turned out. So I hope this inspires you to get creative for decorating for spring. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, happy decorating!